Welcome to my this tutorial. Why is my voice like this? You're welcome to this tutorial. Now in this particular tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this particular flyer design. Now this is so I'll just come here, hide this let me just do work on this one. So this is the burger. Reduce the brightness, increase the saturation to 25. Now see it's kind of blended with this dark background. So the next thing, I'll just push it here. Now look at, let's see the size of this burger. 90. Okay, 90. So make my grid. Now look at where it is close to the middle, but it's not eventually at the middle. It is okay. Let's just leave it this way. Let this see the leaf is touching the edge of the middle of my grid. So I'll just leave it. I'll make sure it's at this one is at the middle. All right. So then I'll just lock it. So I have this. There's this element. I have this shape. I did the radius to about 20. Then I did it like this. Okay, so I did it like this. All right, so I copied it, edit, get rid of the radius. It's quite easy like this. So let's just change the color to this so you can see it. So the next thing I'll just do is merge the two of them. Alright, so they're now one. So not eraser, please. It is now this color. So I just add stroke to it. Okay, so this is what we have. See, it's perfect like this, even better than the one I did before. So I will just leave this here. Okay, now the next we bring is our background though, the one we saved. Okay, where do you want? Just choose the place you want. So let me just pick this side. Then relative size, increase this one too. So I'll send it to the back. Okay, yay, Jesus. You know what, let me save this as a project. Let me save it as TT. You know what, so if I not rectified the what I did, it was on this background. It was I actually saved this one in place of the design I did first. So I just thank God for the cover to save. Okay, now this should be minus 20. It should be 25. Taking off. Let's just make it 20. Alright, so this is my burger. Oh, so okay, it's okay this way. So the next thing is I'll bring my text, not the sticker. I didn't make use of this, so the text. Now I can never upload this one on YouTube for now. If I want to upload it, maybe it will be next year. Now let's it's burger. Now the particular font I'll be making use of doesn't have this Bebas New. This is it. Does not support capital letter. So let me just give it space for the sake of. Okay, so let me just give this burger this particular height. Ball. So I'll change the color. Alright, so for you to see this particular color, this is the color code FFA90. Erase whatever is there. Whatever you have here, just copy and paste this one there. Copy. Just maybe it's you made white here or you made black. Yeah, so all you just need to do is you get rid of this, paste this FFA and click on this, then click on this, so you notice it will change here, and so this is what you get. Burger. So I added shadow to it, so I stole the shadow from my background. Okay. Alright, I just want to be sure of my shadow. Okay. He's black. The opacity was 41. Goodness gracious me. This is 10, 9, and 5. God have mercy. Alright, I'll just have to input this to just double click on. I'm kind of lazy in typing. Copy. (41), 9, and 10. No. Okay. 9 and 5. I didn't check the size. Goodness gracious me. Okay, just pay attention. These 2, 2, 8, 2, 6, 9. Please remind me. Size. Let me make it up to 60. Shadow 41. You can just reduce it to 40 instead. Then 9 and 5 for the burger. Now let me just delete this instead of just copying. Copy. Burger. Okay, so this is what okay, let me bring my burger down. So copy this. Now reduce the size, change the font to Montserrat semi-bold. Then I have to change it to white. Don't worry, I'll just so for a reason or two I didn't tamper with the spicy. Normally I do leave it as. So I'll just lock every of my text, everyone, including my background. So my spicy, copy it. Now shadow off, double click on it. Colors for delivery and put this one up there. Okay, so we have this one now. Now I want to change the font on my phone number. I want to make it bold. Colors for delivery. Now I have the size. Okay, so this is the size. Alright, so I'll copy this one, but this time I'll change it to just the one we made use of, semi-bold. Double click on it. Available in video. Okay, you know what? I'll still just come here, borrow the same style, pattern, body, and also make it bold, because that is my location. Alright, so we are good. Now the next thing is that adding. Okay, I'll just come here to my gallery. Okay, we'll just, okay, this is what I'm having here. Position is here. Now give it change the color to the color of this my. So I'll double it again. Use relative position, put it here. But this time I'll change the color to white. So now pay attention to what I'm doing. So I'll come to eraser, click on this one. Then I'll increase it here. Then I'll just draw this one. I'll position it here. Then I'll click on this first one. Then position it again here. Click on this one. Then I'll now merge the two of them together. So that's where I got my logo from. When I've seen it. Okay, so let's see the size. Okay, let's stay with 7 and 4. See, 7 and 4. Okay, so copy. Kitchen. Alright, so I'll just turn it to Montserrat bold. Then I can still reduce the size. Okay. Okay, we have this. Then I'll just click on this guy. Alright, so I guess we're done. Alright, so you just start adding the necessary beauty that will be adding on it. Now everything will be, you should have gotten the link now, the resource file, so should be somewhere around here. Okay, so I'll just be bringing what I just used to spice up the space, this green. Let me take a look at it again. Okay, my leaves. Okay, so I just use it to spice up the design. Alright, so I have this here, then create this. Okay, that tomato. Now, this one not come necessary. I don't think it's necessary. Oh, I just put them anyway. So I'm done, right? Let's bring in the first one. Okay, so we don't know now. Save changes. Let me save as project.